Hello, Assalamu alaikum guys. My name is Aksa Khalid and I am here with another video about numerical problems of digital fundamental. In this video, I am going to discuss the question number 17, section 3 and 4, the NAND gate. Topic is NAND gate. In this question, we have to draw the waveform, output waveform of these inputs by using the NAND gate. Let's start. For a NAND gate, as we know that it is just an opposite of AND gate. For example, in AND gate, we have a higher output when both our inputs are at high level. Otherwise, in an AND gate, we always get a lower output for all other combinations. Let's start from here. Let's say that it's A and it's B. These 2 points, for these 2 points, A is lower and B is high. For a NAND gate, we are going to get a higher output. So let's start from here. For these two combinations, A is high, A is at high level and B is also at higher level. And from a NAND gate, we are going to get a lower output. But from this, A is low, B is high. For a NAND gate, we are going to get high output. And similarly goes on. For this combination, we are going to get lower output because both are at higher level. For these combinations, we are going to high output because both the input A is at lower level but the input B is at higher level. And from a NAND gate, we are going to get a higher output. These two combinations from a NAND gate give us a lower output. But from here, we are going to get a higher output because A is low, B is high. So in a NAND gate, we are going to get a higher output. For these two combinations, we are also going to get higher output because A is high, B is low. For an AND gate, we get high output. And same will goes for here. Both are 0. For AND gate, when both inputs are 0, we get lower output. But for a NAND gate, as it is the opposite of an AND gate, so we are going to get the higher output. Here we also get the higher output. Same goes for this, but for these two combinations, we are going to get the lower output because A is high, B is also high. And for these two combinations, we are going to get high output. For these two combinations, we are going to get lower output because A and B are both at high level. For these two combinations, we are going to get high output. For these two combinations, we are going to get low output. For these two combinations, we are going to get high output. For these two combinations, we are also get high output. For these two, we also get high output. For these two, we also get high output. And here we also get high output. But here we get lower output as B and A both are at high level. For these two combinations, we get higher output, and for these two, we also get a lower output. And for these two combinations, we get higher output because B is at high level and A is at lower level. This is our required output diagram for the question number 17 of chapter 3, Digital Fundamentals. Now let's move towards the question number 18. Question number 18 is also about to get a output waveform from NAND gate by using these 3 inputs. हमें पता है कि NAND gate है, just हमें AND gate का opposite मिलेगा. So let's start. Okay. A is at higher level, B is at lower level, C is at higher level. Mean for NAND gate we are going to get higher output. A is high, B is low, C is low, we are going to get higher output. Because for a NAND gate, output will be low when all the combinations are at higher level. So don't confuse. C is low, B is high, and A is high. We also get the higher one. And for this combination, C is high, B is high, A is high. For this combination, we are going to get low output because all these inputs are at higher level. And for these two combinations, we again get higher output. For these combinations, we will get higher output. For these combinations, again we get lower output because all the three inputs are at higher level. For these combination, we get higher output. For these, we also get higher output. For these, we also get higher. And for these, we also get higher output. Now let's see. A is at lower level, B is at lower level, C is at lower level. And for AND gate, all the lower levels give us low output. But for NAND gate, we get higher output because NAND gate is the opposite of AND gate. For these combinations, we will get higher output. For these combinations, we will get higher output. For these combinations, again we get higher output. For these combinations, again we get higher output. For these combinations, we will get lower output because all the three inputs are at higher level again. And for these combinations, we will get higher. For these combinations, we get higher output. And for these combinations again, for these combinations, we will get lower output. And for these combinations, we will get higher output. This is the required output waveform for question number 18. I hope it will make sense to you. If yes, then let me know in the comment section. Let's move towards the question number 19. Question number 19 is all about we have to again draw an output waveform for these inputs by using an NAND gate. But here we have 4 inputs. But the same goes for the 2 inputs, same will goes for the 3 inputs, same will goes for the 4 inputs. Means we get just 0 combination when all the inputs are at higher level. Otherwise we will get higher output for any combination of inputs in a NAND gate. Okay, these are all low. It means that our output will start from higher level. Our output will start from higher level. And here we get also higher output because one is at higher level, the rest of all the 3 inputs are lower level, and in a NAND gate they will give us higher output. Here we also get higher output. Here we also get higher output because these 3 are at high level, but the 4th one is at low level. It means that we get high output. But here all are at high level. It means that we get low output. Here we get higher output again because A is at lower level. Then again we get lower output because no rest of the inputs combinations we are not going to getting any lower level output because all the combinations are not going to high at any level. So our output will remain high until the end. This is the question number 19. This is the waveform of the question number 19. I hope it will make sense to you. If yes, then let me know in the comment section. Thank you. Now let's move towards the question number 20. Question number 20 says that we have to draw the output waveforms by using these input waveforms, firstly through NAND gate and then from NOR gate. Let's move towards the solution. Let's say that this is input A, this is input B, and at first I am going to draw the output waveform through a NAND gate. Let's say that it's an XNAND, and NAND. Okay, both the inputs are low, mean our output will start from higher level. Okay, A is high, B is low, output will be high. A is high, B is also high, it means that our output will goes low. And here A is low, B is high, it means that we will get higher output. And again here we get higher output, here also higher output, but here A and B both are at higher level, means for an AND gate we will get lower output. And here we again get higher output, and here we again get higher output, and for these two combinations we also get higher output. But for these two combinations, because A and B both are high, we will get lower output. And from now to onwards we will get higher outputs for a NAND gate. This is the output waveform of these two inputs through a NAND gate. Now we have to draw the same, by using same inputs, a output waveform through a NOR gate. In NOR gate, these two bubbles shows that the A input and the B input will go invert before entering into the gate. I hope it will make sense to you. Both these inputs will invert before entering into the gate, or you may say that before applying the logic gate operation or boolean operation, both these inputs will invert. So let's move towards the solution for XOR. For negative OR gate output, we just at least have one lower input from all these from all the given inputs. We just have one lower input to get a higher output result. So let's start from here. As both these low, it means that we will get higher output. And here B is low, means we again get higher output. And here both these high, it means that we will get lower output. Here A is low, it means that we will get high output, because for negative OR gate, to get a higher output we just have one lower output, at least we just have one lower output. And for here we also get higher output, because both the inputs are at lower level. Here B is low, it means that again we get higher output. And here both these low, it means that we will get, here both these inputs are at higher level, it means that we will get low output. And here A is lower, it means that we will get higher output. And for these combinations we will get again high output. For these combinations we will get again high output. For these combinations, as A and B both are at higher level, we will get lower output. And for these two combinations we will get higher output, and so on. Okay, both these gates will give us same results.